Take a moment to check out the 2022 Dodge Durango. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Durango makes even the most demanding tasks look and feel easy. Its bold power, uncompromising capability, and technology that prioritizes passenger safety and comfort make it the go-to SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, V6 cylinder engine, power liftgate, remote engine start, keyless start, satellite radio, fog lamps. Feel confident knowing that your vehicle is prepared to meet the challenge. Drive the Durango.